So I've just made a video about whether or not your battery is now draining more if you update to the latest iOS 16. And this video, I want to discuss something I just read on the internet, which is that iPhone or iOS 16 is now more popular than iOS 15 when it came. A lot more people did upgrade to the latest iOS 16 in comparison to last year's iOS update. Why is that? I think that has to do with the entirely new design, the new widgets that you can add into your home screen, the fact that we have this 3D model thing behind the time, the fact that we even can change the font of our time just like this, and we can customize our background entirely. We can add widgets to it. We can just change the color of that time of this font right here. We can change the actual font and the colors. So yeah, that's basically something that, yeah, people like that. They want to have something that they can customize, and whenever Apple adds something new to that future, people will like to update into that. If we look at iOS 15, there wasn't much of a difference in comparison to the iPhone 14. Yes, we had widgets, but widgets were there on iOS 14 as well. There wasn't like a huge thing that came out in comparison to the iOS 14. But if we look to both iOS 15 and iOS 16, that switch was huge for a lot of people. We see an entirely new layout with new backgrounds, and it looks very fancy. It looks very cool. We even have, I don't have it, but a lot of people now add a percentage. So I don't have it, but a lot of people put a percentage sign in the battery. I don't like that, but I guess a lot of people do like that. And overall, the newest iOS upgrade, the iOS 16, looks way more cooler. So there's a lot more. So it's more popular than when the iOS 15 came. And yeah, that's actually it. And actually, the greatest feature I even haven't mentioned, that's the new look into iMessage, which has a bunch of features I will talk about in a future video. But that's also something that tempt people to upgrade to into this newest iOS 16 software. So yeah, there are a lot of features into the iOS 16, and that's basically the reason why it's so popular. If you haven't already upgraded your iPhone to the latest iOS, you can do it right now. You don't have to have the beta program. You just have to go to general software update, and if you have it on, you will be able to download and install the latest iOS 16. Just keep in mind it will have like 5.13 gigabyte even, and so it's a large update, but you will get a lot out of it. And yeah, if you have a older model iPhone, just keep in mind that your battery may drain now even faster because all of those features. But if you have an iPhone 13, then you can just safely update to the latest iOS 16 models or the iOS 16 software. So yeah, that's actually it. I hope you guys like this video. Like always, leave a big thumbs up, watch one of my recent videos right here, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.